Hello friend, welcome to mechanics tutorial. Today we are going to solve the numerical on beams. Okay. Now here the beam which has the hinge supports at point A, which is under uniformly varying load UPL, and it is supported by the cable. Okay. So the friction is not given. That means it is frictionless pulley. Okay. Due to that one, the this side tension. Okay, this side tension T will be equal to this side tension because it is cable and we know that all elastic bodies are always under tension. Okay, so at point A there is heat support, that means two reaction. One is horizontal component of reaction, another is vertical component of reaction AY. Okay, so we have first step is draw the free body diagram. For that one we have to replace support by reaction. Now the uniformly varying load of magnitude 8 kN per meter is given acting for the distance of 3 meter. So it's convert that UDL into point load. It will be somewhere here and the magnitude is 1 by 2 W, that is 8 into L, that is 3. So that will be what? 12 kilonewton, and it is acting at its CG. And center of triangle is always L by 3 from larger side. So total is 3. 3 upon 3. So this side will be what? 1 meter. This side will be what? 2 meter. Okay. So here first step is draw the free body diagram. Coming from here only we have to draw free body diagram. Draw free body diagram. Now here the line, this is the line, okay, where the reactions at a point is AX, this is AY, okay. The vertical load at distance of 3 meter, this will be what? Tension. Then the UVL load, that is at a distance of 2 meter from here. So here it is 1 meter acting in downward directions, 12 kilonewton. And most important, this load is 30. Tension is, this tension is T acting at an angle of 30 degrees. So we have to resolve it. Okay. So हमें पता है कि जिसके साथ एंगल क्रिएट किया है that carries the cos component. That means this side will carry your cos component while the vertical side will carry the sin component. So this will be what? T cos 30 and this will be what? T sin 30. Okay. So we have to take these two reactions at point B, and this will be what? T sin 30, and this will be what? T cos 30. Okay, so that will be the free body diagram. So ये जो भी distance है up to this it is 3 meter, from here to here it is 1 meter, from here to here it is 2 meter. Okay, now step number 2 is reaction calculation. Step number 2 is reaction calculation. Okay, reaction calculation. So here we have to find out the value of AX, AY and tension T. Okay, so first condition, that is summation of horizontal forces equal to 0. Okay, horizontal forces right side positive, left side negative. तो यहाँ पर कौन कौन से फोर्सेस आ रहे हैं? AX which right side so positive minus T cos 30, T cos 30, okay, equal to 0. Therefore AX is equal to T cos 30 and the value of cos 30 is 8.66 na? Value of cos 30 is 0.866 T. Okay, so this is your what? Equation 1. Now second is summation of vertical forces equal to 0. Okay, so all vertical forces, upward forces are positive, AY, then plus T, then minus 12 plus T sin 30, T sin 30 equal to 0. ओके, तो ये क्या आएगा फिर आपका ay plus t sin 30 is half, that means plus 0.5t minus 12 equal to 0. ay plus 1t plus 0.5, that is 1.5t equal to 12. So this will be what? Equation 2. Okay, now third condition is your what? Moment at point A equal to 0. Moment at point A equal to 0. तो ये t जो की जा रहा है, t is moving in anti-clockwise directions around A. Okay, so here I will write the third step, that is moment at point A equal to 0. So t is moving anti-clockwise and the perpendicular distance is 3 meters, so minus t into 3. Okay, now 12 kilometer is moving in clockwise direction, distance is 3 plus 1 4, so plus 12 into 4. Now 30 cos t cos 30 is moving to or passing through moment center, so that will create 0 moment, cancel. Now last one is t sin 30, that is moving in anti-clockwise, so minus t sin 30 into perpendicular distance is 3 plus 3, that is 6. 3 plus 3, that is 6. Okay, equal to 0. Right? So ये क्या है आपका फिर minus 3t plus 48 minus again t sin that is 0.5 into 6, that is 3t. Okay, equal to 0. So minus minus plus, therefore 6t is equal to 48. Okay, minus 3t minus 3t 60 minus 60, that side becomes plus t. So t is equal to 48 divided by 6, that is 8. Okay, 48 divided by 6, that is 8 kilometer. Okay, put the value of t in equation 1 and 2. From that one we will get ax and ay. Put value of t in equation 1. Okay, so ax is equal to 0.866 t and t कितना है मेरा 8, so that is equal to what? 6.928 kilonewton. Okay, and ay is equal to what? In equation 1 and 2 बोल दो हमें यहाँ पर, and equation 2 is over what? Ay plus 1.5t minus 12. So ay is equal to 12 minus 1.5 into t. T is 8. Okay, so that value comes to equal to 0. So 12 minus 12, so that is what? Ay is equal to 0. Okay, so in this way you will find the results or reactions. Thank you.